Hi YouTubers, welcome to part 2 of the washing. Here we are, we're on main wash now, 32 minutes left on the clock. Yep. This is a diamond drum capacity. And that's it.